So who is this 3X's guy anyway?
It's XXXTentacion. This is why I have you here. Boys, back in action. We're back in the action. I'm kind of going through a little bit of a sick day right now, but all the products came in to do this video, and I had to do it regardless. Now I brought you into this video. Y'all know him as Cameraman Ian, or Ian the Cameraman. Nice. But I actually brought you into this being sidekick in this video because you actually don't know who XXXTentacion is.
No, you keep saying that name like I should know.
So he's a rapper, right? We're doing a video based on him today. Now, I'm telling you guys this at the same time as Ian, because I feel like Ian should be enlightened if he doesn't know who he is already. What we're doing in this video today, Ian, is there's a website called Wish, who has yet to sponsor me, so I'm not even going to leave any links down below, but they actually have some free things on their website. Of course, you gotta pay shipping, but some people asked me to do a challenge, buying every item I could find, or at least what I did is every item I could find that I thought was dope, that was free on this website, that has to do with XXXTentacion.
Okay. Yeah.
So I wanted to start off this video by enlightening you and just showing you who he is. Could I show you a couple songs maybe? And like, you just let us know what the overall thing is.
Okay.
Sound good?
Sure.
Sick, boys. So what we're gonna do right now, I've got the album up right now. This is his new album, Skins. I'm gonna show you one of the songs on there, and I just want to see if you like dig it or not. You know what I mean?
Yeah. And are you doing all right? Like, you seem a little out of it right now.
I seem out of it right now?
Like
I'm sick.
Yeah, like I saw that other video of like with the cops and stuff.
Oh
like,
yeah.
Like,
that was my last video, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Thanks for bringing this up on camera.
Okay, yeah, and like I don't want to call you out, man, but you seem kind of like high or something.
Dude, I'm not dealing with stuff too well, so, you know, we're working on it. We're working on it. Boys, I'm a little sick. We've got a lot of things to deal with. Anyway, this is one of my favorite songs, honestly, to date. It's nice so far, right?
Yeah, this isn't what you expect from rap.
He does a lot of genres. Kind of whatever he felt, he'd do it.
Oh.
So what'd you think about that?
It was pretty good, actually. Yeah, it was pretty chill.
You like that?
Yeah.
Ian's not usually one for rap or anything like that. He's usually like really into, I think you're into like classic rock and stuff like that, but you're ready to dabble. You thought that was good?
Yeah.
So one thing about X, he did pass away not too long ago. So these videos are a little bit of like a touchy subject, which is why we're going to be a little serious in this, because a lot of people like to say, oh, you're clout chasing off of somebody who passed away, which is not the case. I'm a huge fan. I'm actually working on my X collection right now. If you guys don't know, a long time ago, I used to have like memorabilia collection with sports, always collected autographs, stuff like that, of like people that I really dug and that I looked up to. So I'm kind of starting that. I got this right here, spent all my money, not all my money, but I spent a lot of money on his last collection, really dope. So anyway, with this video, it's a little more serious, but we're still taking on the challenge of every free thing that I could find that I thought it was dope on Wish, contributing to X in terms of the purpose of this video. That's what we're unboxing today, boys. You dig it though?
I dig it.
Yeah? Alright, boys. Let's go. We're getting into the video right now. If you guys want to see more of this with more rappers, we can definitely do so. I try not to shout out Wish too much because they don't pay me for this, but we're still going to do it because it's kind of fun content. Now, I also do want to say, I don't necessarily recommend buying the stuff that people are making of X because they're making money out of his name. You catch what I'm saying? So I'm going to have a link down below to his website. If you guys, they have nothing on the website right now, but every once in a while, and I've been lucky enough to catch every drop so far, they actually do put out merch that he has put out, and I think it goes to like charity and stuff too from the purchases. So anyway, link's gonna be down below, but for now, for you guys who may not have the time or the money to rock that stuff from X, I think it's never a bad thing to rock things that have to do with him, even though the money might be going to the wrong place. So first off, I guess just open this one up right here. It was really hard because they have a lot of dope X stuff on Wish, but not a lot of it is free. So I was working under the realms of free. Wow, you are just not killing it.
It's really hard plastic, man.
It is hard plastic because it is not even a quarter of an inch thick.
Oh,
what do we got here? Damn it! This is for another video. My bad. This is a, I just saw these. It's a Trippy Red Grill, and it was free, so I thought I'd get it. It says 14, da-da-da-da. I'm not into grills. I wouldn't wear these, but I think they're dope for thumbnails of some videos, and also, I just thought they looked funny, so I bought them. So shout out Trippy Red, I guess.
Why are they red? They're blue.
What do you mean red? They're blue.
You said they were red, though.
Oh, Trippy Red. His name's Trippy Red. Are they blue?
Oh,
I guess he thought blue diamonds would be dope, but that's a good question. Why is he doing blue diamonds when his name's Trippy Red? Bad call, I think. Alright, so anyway, what I was saying is a lot of these were really hard to get because a lot of the things I saw that were dope weren't free. So, we had to go into the free product of it. Oh, yes! Okay, so First thing, going on to the grills, I was looking at what kind of grills he generally would have rocked, and they were gold. Exactly like this, so I bought the fake version, which is free. So they're not cool to flex, but you should put those in your mouth, actually. Boys, I tried my best for this challenge. I swear there's cooler things coming, but I couldn't pass up some fake gold grills, especially when I had in mind Ian coming in for this video.
That's actually kind of sharp.
It's sharp, eh?
It
should be. Push down as hard as you can, and what it does is it digs into your gums so it fits perfectly. I'm just kidding.
I don't think that's a good idea.
Don't do that. Look at you're looking more like a rapper day by day. This is crazy. What do you think about that, boys? Okay. Next up, this one, I've been really stoked for. So we've had a shirt like this in the past. I don't know if it's the exact same one, but this is one of their free ones that they had. I tried to get more shirts, but this was the only one I found. What the hell? There's another shirt in here. What's that one?
Yeah.
That's Tekashi69. What the hell? Oh,
yeah.
We didn't mean to get that, boys. Apparently there's a Tekashi69 shirt in here in like a XXL for sure. Anyway, if somebody wants that, I guess we'll give that away. Like I say, I'm trying to rock more X stuff because I rock what I love. You know how many band tees I rock always. I'm always rocking Green Day stuff and AC/DC. Love that. Anyway, the next thing we got, I think it might be similar to the one we've had. Yeah, I think it's honestly the exact same. XXXTentacion 1998 to 2018. I think I said this in the last video too. I don't think I'd rock something like that because it makes me sad. Next up, Ian, open that.
Okay, this one, that one opens a little easier.
Oh, it's a chain.
Yeah, and there's something on the back too.
You got this right here. It says Goon. I did see him wear some sort of mask, some photo shoot when I was searching this up to see if this would be a good piece to buy, and I remembered that. Not necessarily him, it's more like, I don't know, Ski Mask, the Slump God. You know what I mean? But it has to do with that because I felt it was free once again. So we have this right here. It's some Goon Chain. Now you guys know I give away most of the stuff. I just picked winners for the last giveaway of the last video, so if anyone wants to win this, it comes with this chain, and this is separate.
Oh,
this is separate.
Okay.
Oh, I see. All right, boys, last up in this little challenge here, which I'm kind of stoked for. I wish I got more merch, but I couldn't have. But anyway, Ian, you got one too?
Yeah, I got one.
What's yours? All right, so I got another grill. It was hard, man. They didn't really have anything free besides grills, but did already know that actually did have grills like this. I guess you just break it. Oh. God damn. we got some silver grills, bro. This is ridiculous. Last up, boys. Sorry for the quick paced video. I had to put one out for y'all, and honestly, I was really stoked for this. The last thing, yeah, that's what I thought. We have, now I couldn't believe this one was free. It just fell out of the package. It's so weird. Wow. We have the X pendant right here. Obviously, he never wore this or anything like this. Honestly, I only saw this thing come out once he passed away. I guess, you know, people like to make a little bit more money off somebody when they pass away, or like they know it's gonna be popular. It sucks, but it is what it is. We have the X pendant right here. If you guys could see, he's got the blue dreads. That's what he looks like. Honestly, in a nutshell, he kind of looked like that.
He had blue dreads?
Yeah, at one point he had blue dreads. At other points he had like blonde dreads with like black and yeah, da-da-da-da-da. So anyway, we got that with the stainless steel chain right here. That was the challenge we tried to take up today. Honestly, I'm kind of bummed because I don't really care about a lot of this stuff. I mean, this is dope, but I'm not going to wear it. So if you guys want any of these pieces, follow my Instagram right here for sure. And message me on there saying you did it. Also leave a thumbs up and a comment down below. I'm more stoked for like the shirts though. Even though we got a 6'9" shirt that I don't want to wear because it's like fucking 4XL or something. But anyway, boys, that's it for today's video. I'm going to try to get better soon. Ian's the one that got me out of bed being like, yo, we gotta do this for the boys, so appreciate that, buddy.
Yeah,
that's dope.
Boys need their fucking videos, man.
Boys need their videos, you know what I mean? Even though I'm sick, I can always make it work. Ah, damn, I thought that'd be bars. Also, we got a giveaway on my Instagram right now, so if you guys want to go check that out, it's a 500K giveaway. We're announcing the winner in 3 days. So once again, Instagram's right here. Have you seen that giveaway?
No, what is it?
It's, we're giving away a pair of Yeezys.
Oh, that's
Yeezy
sick.
glue tints, yeah, for 500K. Picking a random person, we're doing it. So hopefully you guys want to see more of these videos. I feel like this is not the best first video for maybe this series, if we wanted to call it that. We could do other websites or whatever, but it is what it is right now, boys. Appreciate y'all for watching. Merc the Game, the greatest of all time, y'all. The GOATs. Ian, one last word, end it off.
What? Oh, you want me to? I don't know. Oh, you're all the GOATs. Like like the big goats with the horns. You know,
Nice.
like the rams.
Like rams.
Like rams, yeah, that's the word. That's the word.
What does that stand for? Because GOAT stands for greatest of all time.
It's like, it's a goat, but bigger.
Okay, that's fair.
That's what it is.
I feel like you're not really catching up on what I'm saying, but that's cool,
Well,
man.
man.
Appreciate y'all for watching. Blow.